Hi friend, this is your favorite YouTube channel, IT Learner. Today we will learn that how to convert different file formats into different formats just in one click. So friend, I'm sharing with you a great site for converting your files into different formats. So friend, this is Hipdf site, and you can easily write in Google Hipdf. So this is Hipdf, and you come and you will see this screen of Hipdf that shows that different file formats are there, and you can easily convert the PDF file to the Word file to PDF, and image file to PDF, and these different formats that you see in screen. Now how it's work? Come to Word to PDF, choose your file. So this is my Word file that I want to convert into the PDF. So it's uploaded, then click to convert button. It will convert it just in few seconds. It's converting, and after the converting you can download your file. So it's downloading, so it will be easily convert the Word file into the PDF. So this is download the Word file, convert into the PDF. So you can see this. So this convert into the PDF. So it's so simple, and you can just in one click you can convert your Word file to PDF, and PDF file to the Word. So let's see how to convert the PDF to the Word file. So the previous file that we convert into the PDF, so we select that, come to this is the file that we convert from Word to the PDF. So we again convert it into the Word file. So that was the PDF file. I choose the PDF file, and it's converting. So download that, and you can see that we again converted into the Word file. So this is the PDF file that we convert into the Word. So let's see. Yes, this is the PDF file that we converted into the Word. So friend, by this site you can convert your desired file into desired formats: Word to PDF, PDF to Word, Word to Excel, Excel to PDF. Thanks for watching the video. If it's helpful, please like the video, share, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.